For the love of water, take a deep dive into what matters most. Puma knows that every action, no matter how small, has the ability to enact real change in the world. Designed in partnership with graduates from Central St. Martin's College in London, this latest collection of more sustainable products is meant to reinvigorate our connection and appreciation of water. Love letters to water are sewn inside every garment and close to our hearts. Yo, what up, this Walker Street? Hey, appreciate you clicking on my video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe while you're here. And welcome to my page where I do shoe reviews. Hey, we're gonna get straight into it. I got the Pumas for the love of water. I think these some sick shoes. And I'm gonna show you and tell you why I think they some nice shoes. I like these. I think they very futuristic. I think they very functional. I think these shoes got a lot to offer as far as, you know, what's out there. So I'm gonna give you a detailed review of what I think about these shoes. These shoes have a lot of features that designers use in their shoes. So it really stands out to me that they took so much detail with making these. And I think Puma is like one of my favorite brands when it comes to like trying new things and doing something new that is different. I'm sure Adidas does a lot of new stuff, but Adidas is like more pop culture, but I feel like Puma is more focused on, honestly, the customer. You know what I mean? The people who buying it. It seemed like that's more of their motto, is what would the customer like? You know what I mean? What would people like to have? You know, and they work with a lot of people in order to bring things like this for the love of water straight to you. I think the features that you see in these shoes are the same that come in a lot of these designer shoes and high fashion shoes. I mean, these not far off from being right there with them. The details that they put in here, the little, like this little ring right there, things like that is what make it very unique and very stand out. So designers do a lot of this same thing on a high end. So it's kind of cool to see Puma doing this. I'm sure they're not gonna have a bunch of colorways of these also, or maybe they will. Maybe this will be the start of them making lots of colorways for these. I think they got a couple, but so yeah, the main thing I really want to say is, like, it's hard to make shoes so different. You know what I mean? It's easy to make the cookie cutter, like Air Force Ones when they have a successful shoe like that. That's that's easy. That's easy because it's just about colors, but it's about stuff like that. But when you putting these little nuances of detail in them, like this bubble in the back, this ring on here, even how the sole has the different color right here, that makes it almost look like it's a separate part, like it can move on its own. Having this strap right here, all that, man, that requires all the extra stitching, and attention to detail that's required to bring a shoe like this to life. With the one stitches on the side, the orange stitches. It's just a lot of attention to detail. It's not equivalent to like how Nike does it and how Jordan does it and other brands like that. So I think these are real cool, dope shoes, worth having. You know what I mean? Definitely eye-catching. Definitely, for the love of water. You gotta splash in these for sure. Every time. And honestly, these bottoms, I'm not gonna say they the same, but these really look like Dior bottoms. You know what I mean? Like, just the similarities. Just how you could definitely have, just put the little Dior thing right there. Rebrand it. And it's like, yo, the same people who design it for the high-end design doesn't have a start point. Someone can start from nothing and design something that everyone likes, and that's very aesthetic. So I think this is a successful shoe. I like this shoe. Yeah, like I said, I might give me another pair, collect some of these or more Pumas. But like I said, I really do like Puma, and I do buy them so often. It's like, yeah, one shoe ain't enough. When I buy Pumas, I usually buy a couple of them because I really do like them because they're different. Yo, appreciate you watching my video. Hey, just walk a street. You already know, man. We stepping on them. We stepping on them. Hey, I ain't even putting these on, man. This is a straight review I'm giving to you, and these are shoes I'm actually just reselling these shoes, man. I got these shoes for a deal, and maybe I will get some for myself. You know what I mean? But right now, I'm really collecting the designer. You know, everything else, yeah, it's just going straight out the door, man. We gonna bring it to you. You know what I mean? Show you how we step in all 2022. Hey, appreciate you clicking on my video. Appreciate you watching my video. Make sure you share. Make sure you like it. Hey, make sure you drop a comment. You know what I mean? Hey, tell me what next shoe you want me to do a review on. You know what I mean? We can get real into it. We can get real in depth to it. Y'all show me what y'all feeling. You know what I mean? We'll bring it to the channel. I can bring all these kicks straight to your head. Yo, what up, this Walker Street? Appreciate you clicking on my video. Make sure you like it while you're here. Drop a comment if it's your first time.